All right, well, we're arriving here at Cackleberry. As usual, it is a cluster. We couldn't make our left-hand turns up here, so we had to do a U-turn with this big old beast. But no worries. People were nice enough to let us in. So no rain in sight, no rain in the past, which means the campground should not be soggy and muddy. So we are really looking forward to this. And it's Wednesday. We're checking in, but it's also the same day that they do the coleslaw wrestling. So it's definitely a little more crowded right now. But hopefully we can get in here with no problem. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yep. Regular now?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, get on the end. That would be awesome.
Yeah. Pull in or back?
Pull straight in. We can reach it. I think we can reach it. We'll see.
Pull it back in. How do you want to do it?
Oh, so we got all the way to the tree?
Yeah. Another one on that side.
On that side of the tree. Yeah, I got you. Let me get in forward if I can.
I think you will.
It's my power cord. I'm just hoping my power cord's long enough.
Did he say you could draw off that one?
It's 34. Well, the trailer the trailer's a folding trailer. I can stand it right up. So I'm more concerned about my power cord not reaching. I might have to spin it around. Let me go ahead and it's back there, and it's got to go all the way over there. I don't think that's going to make it. Let me get it unloaded, and I can spin around. Yeah.
Your choice in terms if you want back, and you'll get more sun this way.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we'd rather stay this way, but we'll have to see how the power cords will reach. Thank you. You too.
All right, finally set up. We got all sorts of people riding around, having a good time here at Cackleberry Campground, across the street from the world famous Cabbage Patch. Yeah, we got a pretty darn good spot. I'm pretty happy with this. It's a lot wider than I thought we were going to get. We didn't get on the very end right here, but we're the second from the end, and we got a tree. That's pretty good. So we're pretty happy with this spot. We're all set up. We got our water hooked up. We got our power hooked up. It's freaking warm. I don't know if you can see the shirt. The shirt's soaked. Sweating my ass off. So got the AC rolling. Got the bike unloaded. The trailer parked behind. So we are good to go. So yeah, if you guys, anybody getting this and you're in the area, hit us up. We're going to do a meetup tomorrow night. Well, once this posts, it might be tonight. It's Thursday, the 12th of March at the Broken Spoke, 5 p.m. Soul Circus Cowboys will be taking the stage. They're always great, and we'd love to see you guys. So I'm gonna cut this one a little short so I can get it posted, and we're gonna continue to roll footage all weekend long. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. Also thinking about on this trip maybe just shooting some raw footage where I shut the hell up and just run the camera up and down Main Street so you guys can see the events going on there. We'll see how it goes. So anyway, oh wait, we gotta say hi to Patty. Patty's in the RV here chilling out. There she is.
Hi.
All right. So anyway, catch you guys on the next one.